Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and we've got more unboxing. Um, Last month, I forgot to do my BoxyCharm box, and I do apologize for that, but luckily, I have it. I still have everything together. Just life got a little crazy, so let's go ahead and box the May BoxyCharm box, and see what we've got. So the theme for May is Flourish, which I was kind of excited about. So very spring, get us all in the mood for spring. First thing that we have here is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. First of all, this is by Dry Bar, which I've heard nothing but amazing things about Dry Bar. So really excited to get this. Love that it's, I'm assuming, a full size, because this is not a travel size. And it's really cool to try to finally get to use it. It's on the description, it says a lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling, curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. My hair is dry, and just to kind of, oh, it smells really, really nice. I don't usually curl my hair or anything unless, I am rushed for something. I have always been kind of like an air dry person, but yeah, that smells really nice. So super, super excited about that. Next is First Aid Beauty, their Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Now, I do have to say that I have gotten stuff from this brand before. Love it, obsessed with it. The only flaw was this brand, even though it's amazing, is expensive, which, as we know, that happens with, beauty products. The good stuff costs. But I use like their hand lotion. And it worked amazing. I actually sometimes get some dry skin on my hands, a little eczema, so it worked great. So I'm actually super excited to try this priming moisturizer. So the description says, formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients, this complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone, and long lasting makeup used as a prep step. So I'm wondering, for the directions, it does say apply over clean face, follow with makeup, or wear alone for a natural look. So I'm actually kind of wondering, like, is this going to take place of my primer? Because I do a makeup primer. Or is this like the moisturizer that I put on before the primer? Because I do that. I do have some kind of moisturizer, like when I get out of the shower after I've washed my face. I'm going to try some. Oh, it's sealed. But I am kind of curious, like, am I supposed to use... Oh, okay. It actually... It's not, like, white. It's not clear. It is actually, like, a skin... Like, a pale skin. Like, a pale flesh tone. Very, very pale flesh tone. Doesn't really have a smell, which is interesting since it does say it's coconut. I was thinking there was going to be some kind of coconut smell to it, but there's not. But yeah, it actually does make a difference. This hand is definitely a lot smoother than this hand. But yeah, my question would be, is this just my moisturizer? Is this the primer, or is this now a 2-in-1 where if I want to do this and put on makeup, I can just put this on and not have to do my moisturizer and my primer? This is like a 2-in-1. So I'm a little curious about that. I'm going to have to look that up. Next thing we have is Beekman Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. And this Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives and goat milk quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. I actually do have a problem with dark circles. I'm actually part Greek, and anybody who is Mediterranean descent, you know that we just naturally get dark circles under our eyes. Concealer is like, I try all kinds of different concealers to try to minimize between that and good lighting. I am all about. So this is actually really intriguing to me. So this is the container. One thing I thought was interesting, it does have this little bag that was inside this. So a lot of packaging. So we will try this hand because the other hand I did the primer. And I know it's supposed to be on the eyes, but I do have full makeup on, so not a smell to it, which is not a bad thing. It feels really nice on. A little does go a long way because I feel like I'm putting it on my whole back hand. But yeah, I mean, like my skin does feel really nice now. So I'm really intrigued by this. Also, I mean, I do want to go over the price points of everything, but this little bottle is $42 regularly, which I thought was crazy. But if it works, like I said, if it works, there's a reason why it works, and those ingredients are usually more expensive in most cases. All right, so next, Tarte. We have the Tarte Shape Tape. I have heard so much about Shape Tape, so I was really, really excited to get this in my BoxyCharm box. It's one of those, like, I hear about it, I make a mental note, I've got to try it, then I, of course, go to the store, and I forget that I was going to try this. But that's okay. So, this is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brightness let your skin come through to deliver a natural lift from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. So, and the shape, or the color they gave us is a glow. So, we'll see how well that matches. So this is the removable sponge. I mean, it's like a little blender, which is really cool. I usually don't take my concealer on the go unless I'm actually like traveling. Okay, this probably going to be a little darker than I want on my skin tone, a little orangier than me. But it's still, let's try. Yeah, so this actually does not, you can kind of see where, basically, I'm not tan enough for this. So, with the summer coming, of course, you know, I'm going to be outside a little bit more. So I might try this when I get a little bit more color on my skin. But yeah, if I tried it right now on my face, it's just a little too dark. But that's okay. Like, I still am going to keep it. My mom will probably use it because, as I've mentioned in other ones, I actually do share my BoxyCharm with my mom. I feel like it's a little bit more cost effective that way, because sometimes I don't need everything in the box, and neither does my mom, so we kind of split it. So last but not least, Tint is the name, Tynt. Haze Smoky Eye Pencil in Forest. So it's actually this really nice dark green. So the description says that to achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil, a unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a soft, smoky eye, rich, defining wing. I swapped this when I first got this box. I love this color. Like, I am definitely going to be fighting with my mom to keep this. And like, it's smudging now because remember I've got the concealer on my hand, but I did it before on like fresh skin and it did not budge. So I would definitely recommend, if you're going to put it on, if you're going to try this, if you guys got it, if you put any kind of eyeshadow primer on, let it completely dry, or make sure the powder on your lid is set, because like my hand was still a little tacky, wet, from the concealer that I just tested on there. So that's it for the BoxyCharm box. So as we always do, got my calculator, my phone. So let's get the calculator set up. All right. So the Tarte Shape Tape, $27. All right. The Beekman Eye Serum, in the package, within a package, that was $42. The First Aid Primer Moisturizer, that was $30. The Dry Bar Heat Protectant was $27. And last but not least, the Tint Forest Green Eyeliner is $18. Makes the total $144. And I think I've said before, I always forget, and I feel bad if you guys watch my videos, I always forget how much the BoxyCharm box is. But I want to say it's like $30 a month. So, I mean, if you are into makeup at all, I highly recommend the BoxyCharm box because, I mean, as you saw, none of this is trial size. It's all full size. The theme is really cool. I've tried brands that I've never heard of before, and I'm now obsessed with. So definitely go to BoxyCharm, try them out, and see you later this month for the June box. And we actually did sign up for the Luxe, BoxyCharm Luxe box. So once that comes in, I'll unbox that one too. All right, guys, as always, have a magical day. Hakuna Matata.